Managing sets is actually easy. Don't worry, just master these two methods. Let's look at an existing set. Here is my list of dev tools, including Git. As you can see here, I'm adding Kubernetes twice, but the power of a set is that it only allows unique values. So what happens when I run the add method twice? Running this, you'll see Kubernetes only appears once. This is perfect. Even if you loop through and add multiple items, the set will ignore anything already in the list. Kubernetes stays unique. Even if I change this to the word Docker, let's swap to Docker. Now you can see the original set refuses to duplicate Docker. That is the core of a set. But notice what happens if I add an extra space before Docker. The space makes it a new value. Now we have two Dockers, one with a space and one without. Be careful with spaces, always use the strip or trim function. Now, to add multiple items at once, you must use update. The add method, as shown here, only accepts a single element. But with the update method, you can add an entire list. Watch this. When I run this, the set expands instantly beyond just Docker. We now have Python and Git. You might try using add for a list, thinking it will work, using the exact same format, but running this gives an error. Unhashable type list. That is because you can't add a whole list to a set. However, the update method accepts that list and adds the items individually. That is a key distinction. Update is allowed because it breaks the list down for you. It merges everything perfectly. Now, pay close attention to these numbers. You can add numbers to a set. So what is happening here? Both values were added. The number 1 appears twice. One is a plain integer. The other is inside quotes. The quotes make it a string. Strings show single quotes, but actual numbers do not. So the integer 1 is different from the string 1. One is text, the other is math. Watch out for your data types.